All right. So if we mention like Kubernetes, if we say like Kubernetes, so first of
Mm-hmm.
all, come in the mind, what actually comes in your mind? Like what is Kubernetes? How you can define that? Like you have heard
Kubernetes.
about it. Yeah.
Kubernetes. I mean, little bit like orchestration tool, I guess.
Okay. And what about
And
others?
Kubernetes is. Uh, I mean, it's a new technology that many company are migrating to,
Mm-hmm.
and on AWS, Kubernetes has some EKS. It was developed by, I guess, Google,
Mm-hmm.
built and Google,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a SaaS service, software as a service.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Fine. So first of all, Kubernetes, as we all know, that
Mm-hmm.
its short form is KATS. Okay.
KATS.
Yeah. In
Okay.
short, we say is told is it is as KATS. Okay.
Okay.
Kubernetes is an microservice. Okay.
Okay.
Cluster management tool. The orchestration.
Microservice. Yes. Okay.
Okay. It's an open source and the K8S is basically developed by Google. Okay. Now it is managed by Cloud.
Okay.
Cloud Native Community. Okay.
Okay.
Now question would be comes in my okay that why we require Kubernetes,
Yes.
right?
Right.
What is the necessity that we have to actually use Kubernetes,
Yes.
correct?
Right.
So we know like it is an open source orchestration management tool, right?
Yes.
But why we need, what was the use of it, right? That also comes in mind.
Yeah. Right.
So for that, I can say